Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will teach you masked comparison for equal command in Allen-Bradley PLC. So I will open my RS Logix 500 and then first use input address I colon 0/0. That the first input address I will choose, and second I will take one counter C5:0 and preset value we will give 10 or any, it's nothing issue. And in second rung we will choose in compare section that mask comparison for equal command. This command basically is used for even numbers and odd numbers, and depends on your signals, how much signals after you like to be on your output, that will be help in the program. So for example, I need my output out colon 2/0. I need this output for on with mask, and this one I can choose C5:0 C5:0 ACC accumulate value. I will choose the accumulate value of this counter and I will mask with 1 and compare with 2. For example, I will choose, and this what will do, I will download and show you how it works. See, for example, now our output is on, for example, and I give the first signal one number, it will be off, and I will when give the second signal, it will be on, means 2 number, and third signal when give, it's off. Fourth signal I give it on. 5 number I give if it's off, and 6 it's on. Means it's even numbers, now it's on. And how much for one signal after 1? I give it here one signal, and if you like this 2, for example, this you have to be word solution continuously. If we like to be change, we can use here data registers, go offline and simply choose it here any data register where we can put value continuously and no need to be again download N7:0, for example, and this, and for comparing also I will choose N7:2, because after no need to be again download, and go to the download. And also one more thing I explain to you, this data registers have what's the benefit. This data registers you can take directly to the HMI, because if you like to put the value from HMI from outside, after you have to be use these data registers, and this address will be you can find on data registers. For example, here I will choose for 2, and here also I choose for 2. So see, as I give the one signal 0, it's now off. As I give one signal, it's not on, because of I defined that 2. After 2 signals, my output needs to be energized. Second signal when I give, after it will be on. Third signal also will be on. Fourth signal after will be off, 5 also off, and as I give the sixth signal, next signal, it will be on. And this is the two pairs on. And which numbers it's on? Even numbers on. Odd numbers it will be off. 10 number on, 11 on, and 12 off. 13 off, and 14 on, after 15 on, and 16, because we make this the two pairs. And otherwise, if I make it here 1, for example, so see, it's now here also. I will change that 0, start from 0, and 0 now is on. Now see, 1 is on, 2 is off. Now it's go to the odd numbers. See, 3 will be off, and 4 will be on, 5 will be on, and 6 will be off. Because of this, the two pairs. And here is, I choose 1. If I make it here, for example, 3, it will be C. It will change after contact, after 3 signals. 1 is on, 2 is off, 3 is off, 4 is off, and 5 will be on. Odd numbers now it will be on. Even numbers will be not on. If you like with even numbers, you make it here 2, for example, and now see, as you give the sixth signal, again we will make it the 0 first to you better understand. 1 off, 2 on, 3 off, 4 off, and 5 off. 6 number will be on. Now it's even numbers will be on and odd numbers will be off, and with the 3 pairs. And if you like to need, if you need for 1 signal just for after change his contact, you see it will be continue on now 15. Wait, this also make it 0. So you can see it's 0 is on, 1 is off, 2 is on, 3 is off, 4 is on, 5 is off, 6 is on. As depends on your, if this also you make it change, this polarity will be change. 6, C7 will be on and 8 will be off. So this command you can use in your own project, for any project when you're making for cutting edge technology, for filling products or cutting technologies from the field, any signal when you take, and after you can apply this command in program, and you can develop your upgrade your program with this command. You can make the practice with this command. Basically you need to be understand first what's the function of this command, and this is the last command of this compare section, and you can practice in your own laptop, make your program, and I hope you will enjoy this video. If you like, please like, share, and subscribe my channel, and I will make for new videos also take for you. So please, thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.